Not getting your verification code? Don't worry. Here are some quick fixes. First, check your signal and internet connection. Weak service or no data can block texts and emails. Next, make sure your phone number or email is entered correctly. One wrong digit and you'll never get the code. If you're waiting for a text, try toggling airplane mode on and off, or restart your phone. Sometimes that refreshes your network. Also, check your spam or junk email folder. Codes sometimes end up there. If nothing works, tap Resend Code, or try choosing a different delivery method, like email instead of SMS. And if you still don't get it, contact your carrier or the service's support team. They can help unblock or troubleshoot delivery issues. And that's it. Your verification codes should start coming through again. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me keep making quick tech tips for you.